Hey everyone, what I'm about to explain is backed by the mechanics working here in the shop, so don't worry, this can be fixed. If your Jeep SRT suddenly shows the message Service Active Dampening System, the first thing to know is that it doesn't mean your shocks have gone rogue or that the suspension just broke. The warning is basically saying, hey, something in the active suspension isn't working as it should. Get this checked. Now, many mechanics notice that this message can appear even when the car still drives normally. This happens because the suspension computer can detect inconsistencies in sensors or communication between modules and decides to warn you before any real damage occurs. It's like the Jeep being cautious, not dramatic. One of the most common culprits mentioned in forums is the wiring and connectors for the shocks. Sometimes they loosen, corrode, or rub against the body, interrupting the signal sent to the control module. Several mechanics fix the issue simply by securing the connectors and checking the harness. No need to replace expensive shocks. If the wiring is fine, another usual cause is a lost system calibration. For example, if you disconnected the battery or changed the wheel height, the suspension module can lose memory and think something is wrong. The fix in these cases is to recalibrate the system with a proper scanner, and many forum users report that the message disappears afterward. In more extreme cases, even with wiring and calibration correct, some mechanics had to check the active suspension control module itself. There are reports where replacing or reprogramming this module permanently solved the issue, especially when the sensors were fine but the system kept throwing warnings. It's also worth noting that the message can appear intermittently due to software or specific conditions, like potholes or sudden temperature changes. Some mechanics mention that the warning appeared only a few times and never came back, which shows it's not always a serious mechanical problem.